as you can see, yes, that check engine light is on. Why is it on? I won't know until I hook up my scan tube. Okay, I have two fault codes, one in the PCM and one in the BCM. Let's look at all DTC. In the PCM, we have a P0507. Oh, I ain't seen that one in years. Idle speed higher than normal. So let's go back to the car. I left it running. Ladies and gentlemen, I hear a vacuum leak. That is idling higher than normal. I think normal, what, 700, 800 RPM? Okay, when you hear vacuum leak, just start moving hoses. Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? Let me unhook the mic so y'all can hear. Y'all hear that? When I move these hoses, the noise changes. Right there. Uh-oh. That's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is why this 3.6 liter is idling higher than normal. I have a vacuum leak right there at the PCV valve hose. I don't want to pull that all the way off, but you can see the split right here. That will cause that fault code, all right? So what I'm gonna do, let me turn the car off and take a closer look at that's a PCV valve hose, folks. Okay, it is attached to the PCV valve. Let me take this all the way out. Don't take this off while the car running. The idle will go extremely high right there. So the only thing I can suspect is somebody replaced the PCV valve, cut the hose, and didn't know they cut it. Alright, so basically what I got to do is replace this hose. Alright, that should be a simple, easy repair, but I have to verify that if it needs anything else, such as spark plugs, tune-up, and all that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is the new part. Here is the part number if you're interested in the part that I am replacing. Simply nothing major to replacing this or installing it. Simply remove the old one and just put the vacuum hoses in its proper place. Let's put this hose on the intake manifold and the other hose go on the PCV valve. Now, one last step we want to get done before we wrap this up. We want to erase the fault code. What we want to do is go back into the PCM, because what we want to do is reset the memory. Things like the adaptive memory, the idle control, all that stuff. There's an option here called reset memory. Okay, in order for that, engine must not be running. It's not running. And select adaptive numerator. What we want to pick, or what I'm going to pick, is all of them. And all of them includes adaptive numerator, minimum TPS, fuel shutoff reasons, engine runtime, fuel adaptive. Basically all of the memory that was previously set for the car. We want to erase all of that and start new memory programming. All right, so we click all and simply click continue. And ladies and gentlemen, that will erase all your memory. All the memory value will be reset. All right, that's the last step to that hurdle. Okay. Alrighty guys, real quick, this is the one that had the misfire in cylinder 4. Guys, the coil has become oil soaked. I done wiped some of it off and the spark plug was foul. When that happens, guys, you need to remove the valve cover because you need to go after, look, this one stayed on here. You need to go after this seal right here, guys. This is a valve, no, this is a spark plug tube seal, okay? Yes, this car has 200,000 miles, so from time to time, its lifespan will end, okay? Yeah, it's not sealing anymore. So all you do when that happens is simple. Remove the valve cover, like I had this one off, and we go in and replace these. All right, now this is a short video. I'm not going to show the repair because I don't have time. I got a new coil, I got new spark plugs, this valve cover right here. All you do, guys, is flip it over and just bang out those seals and use a tool or socket. I got a video of me doing this. In fact, I'll put the link in the description that go to that. So I'm just gonna bang these out and bang these in, okay, and then put everything back together. Yes, this is broke. The hood won't let up, so they in panic mode, want to know why the hell they can't get in their hood. Here's the new cable. There don't look like any way I can fish this thing up through there, but I do see two bolts right there. One right there and one down on the other end. I can just stick a 10mm through there, or it looks like a 13. Try to just take the latch off and get it open that way. Pry up on this a little bit right there. You can see where the cable is broke. And there you have it, guys. I merely had to take the latch off the frame by using the 2 screws. Okay, so now all I gotta do is get that off and replace the cable. Alrighty, guys, a quick lesson on AC. Okay, I want y'all to look at something. I don't know if my camera is zoomed down there, but do y'all see that compressor on there is actually running? Okay, we just fill this thing. You back and refill this thing up to the proper level or the proper weight of refrigerant. Now, compressor is on, AC not cold. In fact, the line's not even cold. Now I want y'all to take a look at something. Y'all see that? These pressures are equalized, guys. You know what that means? The compressor is not doing its thing. Yeah, this is how much Freon we just put in it. Okay, yeah, the compressor, the readings high and the low side pressures are basically equalized. All right, and the pump is running. So you know what that means, guys? The pump has some internal problems. Now, there's some things you need to check, guys. I don't see an external expansion valve on this car. Normally I'll take a hammer and tap on that and see if anything moves, but I have some more diagnosing to do before I condemn that compressor. But for right now, that's a start we need to look at. Hashtag shorts. Y'all see this? My man got the exhaust off, and from what I'm hearing, yep, right here, he broke this stud. Now my guy on his way over here with his welding machine, he's gonna try to tack a nut on here and try to unscrew it. So y'all hang tight, hang around for that. Let's see if he can pull this off. I don't know. It's a 50-50 shot, guys. When he stick in here, oh man, all hell break loose. So y'all stay tuned.
My biggest fear is it's gonna lock up and rip that nut.
So you better weld that to the stud. At least they gave you a little stud, didn't they?
They didn't give it to me. Yeah, there's a little stud.
Yeah, it's a little piece of stud. No, Joe, this should be easy for you.
Right.
Oh, see, you got lucky, man. You're always whining, always scared.
Shut up.
It came out. Oh no! Come on, man.